Hi, I'm Kelly from Collage Lab, and I want to welcome you to a new monthly roundup of collage and related events happening virtually and in person around the globe. Welcome to What's Gluing On. If you have an event that you would like to share, please submit the details at explore.collagelab.com. The links for all of these events will be listed in the description down below the video. Please like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on future updates. Thanks so much for watching. So here are some events for January 2026. Over at Collage Lab, I am kicking off a brand new year-long mixed media adventure called AMUSE BOUCHE. There's still time to join us. The first project drops January 5th. The fabulous Lab Rats membership over at Collage Lab only opens a few times a year. So you want to get on the wait list now because I've got a really special offer when the doors open later this month. On January 10th, for National Vision Board Day, I'm hosting a collage play date called Word Up. This is not your typical vision board party. Check out the details, and we'll be live on Zoom on January 10th. I'm also hosting a free workshop on Sunday, January 18th, where we'll create 6 collages in 60 minutes. It's great fun, and I hope you will join me. Every month, I go live and host an informal office hours where I will answer all of your collage questions. It's live on Zoom the third Friday of each month, and you don't even need to register. Last September, I gathered some fabulous creators and hosted the free curated bundle. We are back with a free event on January 15th, a curated roundtable. It's going to be a live panel discussion about planning for a creative year. My guests include Delight Rogers, Liz Ross, Ruth Ander, Sharon Collins, and Susan Ernst. And did I mention it's free? I also have to mention that I am a guest artist again this year in Susan Yates's 90-day sketchbook challenge, which starts January 1st. Here are some other events happening in January. The Chicago Collage Community is hosting CHICAGOLLAGE from January 1st to the 7th. This year they are honoring their immigrant community. Arizona Collage Collective is back again with Collage the Bard this month, starting January 1st. Pacific Northwest Collage Collective will host its January meetup on January 17th at the Albina Library in Portland, Oregon. The Atlanta Collage Collective will have its collage meetup at the Oddities Museum on January 10th. The Berkshire Art Center hosts Collage Club on Zoom, hosted by the 97 Collage Project and led by Kaija Hadash and Darlene Sardinsky, and their next session is January 15th. Special Agent Collage Collective has a couple of missions that are currently open. Mission 28, Confrontage, and Mission 29, Soundscape. The Kinhouse Gallery has a call for art called Collected, a mixed media open call. The deadline for that is January 11th. Murs Gallery in Sanquhar, Scotland is hosting a mail art exhibition called It's Preposterous. The deadline for mail submissions is February 1st, 2026. Photo Place Gallery has a call for entries called Cut, Paste, Transform. Their deadline is January 5th. Minnesota Center for Book Arts has an image transfers for collage course online with Hope Amico on January 7th. Hope Amico is also launching a 3-week online collage class called Collage Test Kitchen. It starts January 13th. The Shack Art Center will host Andrea Lewicki with an intuitive collage workshop in Everett, Washington on January 17th. Some ongoing events. Paris Collage Collective is again hosting their weekly creative challenge. Polaroid's Collage Club also has a weekly creative challenge. And then you also want to check out Collage Exchange International group on Facebook for a monthly collage material swap run by Lois Peterson. And join the monthly International Collage Playing Card Exchange, which has been running for many years now, led by Llewellyn Joy Miller Guerra. If you have other events that you would like me to talk about on What's Gluing On, there's a link below where you can submit your events at explore.collagelab.com. That is our monthly roundup of what's gluing on for January 2026. Again, please like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of these great events. Thanks for watching.